Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Neha and today we are at Fort Kochi, a seaside town in Kerala which is a perfect blend of history, culture and coastal vibes. So if you're a first time visitor, stick around as I guide you through the must-see spots in this charming city. Getting to Fort Kochi is easy. If you're flying to Kochi International Airport, it is a 1 hour drive by cab, which will cost you somewhere between 1000 to 1500 rupees. But if you're traveling on a budget, I'll recommend you to take a water metro from Ernakulam, which will cost you just rupees 40. Guys, here we are at St. Francis Church. This is one of the oldest European churches in India. There is no entry fee to visit the church and is open on all days till 6:30 in the evening. Next is the Chinese fishing net. These fishing nets have been here since 14th century, bought by the Chinese traders. The best time to visit is early morning or late evening to capture the best view of this spot. It is undoubtedly one of the most photographed sites in Kochi. For the best view of the nets, head to the narrow walkway that runs along the beach. After visiting the iconic Chinese fishing nets, let's take a walk at Fort Kochi Beach. The beach offers the views of Arabian Sea. Although the beach is not ideal for swimming, but it's perfect for a peaceful walk along the shore. So just relax and stay by the beach. The best part about Fort Kochi is you can explore the entire city on foot. Just carry a small backpack and walk around the city, exploring all major attractions on the way. So here we are at Princess Street, one of the oldest streets in Kochi, known for its European style houses. This vibrant street is a hangout place for most locals in the area. This street has number of coffee shops and eating joints, so if you are looking for a good cafe, this is the place to go. Also, do not forget to indulge in shopping, one of the best things to do at Princess Street. Here, you can find some amazing handicraft, boutiques, and jewelry shops. Next, we are going to Loafers Corner Cafe, which is a must visit if you are in the area. From here, you can have the best view of the street while enjoying a cup of coffee. After spending this beautiful day at Fort Kochi, now it's time to go back. So here we are at Water Metro Terminals, and the best part about is it's clean, well organized and super affordable. The ticket price cost just rupees 40. The timing of Water Metro is from 7 until 8 in the evening, operating in every 15 minutes. Here we are getting into the metro. It is fully air conditioned and has comfortable sitting, but the best part is the view. Whether it's your first trip or not, this charming town will leave you mesmerized. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.